Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Recool. I'll have all the details and links provided in the info section below. So this is everything that I received with my wig, and let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the wig that I picked up. I have this gorgeous water wave 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig. It has a high definition lace, and my wig is 22 inches long, 180% density. As you guys can see, the knots are lightly bleached. It also has this removable adjustable band. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received this wig, as well as to kind of look at it to figure out if any work needs to be done. Now the curls are absolutely gorgeous. However, I will be tweezing up the hairline just because it's a little too dense for my liking, and I'm going to apply just a little bit more bleach to the knots just because I can kind of see some of the knots peeking through. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I did bleach my knots off camera. If you guys want to see a more detailed video on how I do that, I'll be sure to link a video in the cards above. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo and condition my unit using my silicone mix. Everything that I'm using throughout this video, I'll be sure to link it in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. So now that I've bleached my knots, I'm now going to move on to styling. I'm just going to slick everything back, pull out some baby hairs, and then I'm just going to tweeze right behind the hairline just to kind of remove some density to make the perimeter of the hairline look really natural. Now I'm just taking a white tooth comb and I'm removing the hairs that I tweezed out. No, that's not shedded hairs. That's literally just the hair that I just tweezed out. So now I'm going to go ahead and form my baby hairs, and I like to just sort of pull out the hair just along the temple area. Then I'm using a little bit of my wet line gel to kind of slick everything back. Then I'm going to take an edge band and apply that to the perimeter of the hairline. I like to kind of let this sit overnight just to where everything is nice and laid. Now I'm just going to go in and redefine the texture of this hair. So I let the wig sit and air dry overnight. It's completely dry. Now it did develop a light cast, but if you just kind of run your fingers through it, you can go ahead and soften that up. I'm going to go ahead and remove my edge band, and you guys look at how nice the hairline looks. So now you're going to take a really good pair of cutting shears and just remove that excess lace. So I do notice that the high definition lace is still a smidget too light for my skin tone. So I'm going in with a foundation, a liquid foundation that's about one shade darker than my complexion. And I'm applying that all over the lace to where we can get a nice even match. Go ahead and throw on your stocking cap. I just like to wear a black stocking cap, so it works for me, sorry. But go ahead and put on your wig. I'm now going in with my Got To Be Glued spray. Once everything is laid, I then like to kind of go in and do my baby hairs. I'm just going to cut those down, then apply a little bit of my Wet Line Extreme Gel and go ahead and get those laid. So now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder just in the parting space. And y'all, fun fact, I've had this powder for about 7 years and it's still going strong. I guess it didn't really necessarily go to waste. But you guys, this is what this wig is looking like. I am in love with the texture. It's so subtle, something that I would definitely wear on vacation. You can definitely get away with wearing it to work and school and stuff like that. It's like an everyday wig that doesn't require like an extensive amount of styling or curling. It just kind of comes together naturally. Now I did work on the hairline to make it look a little more natural. You can wear this wig with or without the baby hairs. I just kind of prefer the baby hairs just because I have like a bigger forehead, so it definitely disguises it just a little bit. But for the most part, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture. I love the softness about it. It's so soft, and I don't know if it's the products that I use or if this is just a really good quality hair. You guys definitely have to check out Recool. Y'all, look at how the hair is just flowing. Shedding was extremely minimal. You guys, look at how full the ends are. From roots to tips, this hair is just perfect. But I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a small little styling option. I do like to kind of wear my hair up and off of my neck, being that where I live is extremely hot. So you guys, invest in one of these little clips. I'll definitely leave it in the info section below in case you guys are interested in the one that I have. But I like to kind of clip up the back of my hair, but let the sides of my hair kind of flow, just giving it like this really cute little effortless summer/fall style. Do you guys like this look? I like it. This is like my go-to style whenever I'm wearing really long wigs in the hot summer months. But once again, you guys do check out Recool. I will have all the details and information left in the info section below. If I can find a discount code, I'll be sure to leave that below as well, so you guys can save some cash. Definitely let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.